Let's say that you're asked to find a bearing of 40 degrees. And just for the sake of simplicity, let's say that you're on the agonic line. You don't have to worry about declination. So this is what you do. You look inside the housing and you find 40 degrees. You rotate the housing until the 40 degrees is lined up with the direction of travel arrow, because you want to point in that direction and then head in that direction. That's the purpose of finding a bearing. Okay, once that's set up, you hold it as if you're orienting the compass down to your side, away from metal, flat like this. And then you rotate your body until the magnetic needle is inside the orienting arrow. There's also a mnemonic red in the shed, where the orienting arrow is the shed and the magnetic needle is the red. But sometimes the magnetic needle is green or another color, but the principle is to get the magnetic needle inside the orienting arrow. In other words, the magnetic needle is pointing to the north on the compass inside the housing. And if this way is north and you're going clockwise in degrees, this is 40 degrees from north. So this is a bearing of 40 degrees in this direction. Let's say that you're asked to find a bearing of 235 degrees. Well, you should rotate the housing so that 235 is in line with the direction of travel arrow. So if this is 220 and that's 240, then the tick mark halfway would be 230. And then you would just rotate a little bit between 230 and 240, and then that should be around 235. And now you would rotate your body until the magnetic needle is inside the orienting arrow. Just like that. Or pointing to the end right here. And now the direction of travel arrow is pointing at that direction of 235 degrees. One other thing is always keep the direction of travel arrow pointed away from you at all times.